Hello everybody, my name is Jeanette Orosco and I'm going to be teaching you about Kahoot.com, which is a gamification app and website. So as a teacher, the first thing you're going to want to do is go on to Kahoot.com. And once you get there, you're going to want to sign up for an account. Select that you're a teacher and then decide if you want to do it through a Google account or through an email. For an email, all you need is your username, your email address, and you're going to create a password. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in, click on Kahoot, go down to where it says create a new Kahoot. There is 4 different options. I can either create a quiz, a jumble, which is like a sequencing game. I could create discussions and surveys. For this purpose, I'm going to select quiz. So the first thing is I'm going to title my quiz. In this case, it's going to be figurative language. For the description, I'm just going to put English and figurative language. I am then going to make it visible for everyone. Select my language as English, and then for my audience, I'm going to put school. I am now going to upload a cover image by searching through my files and then select go. Now I'm going to add a question. In the question box, I'm going to type in my question. I am then going to go down to the answer boxes and type in at least 2 answer options. So in this case, I'm going to type in metaphor and simile. Since the correct answer is simile, I will click on the check mark on the right side and select the time limit. For this case, I will select 30 seconds. Then click next. I'm now going to add a second question. So I'm typing in my question. I also do have the options of adding images or videos onto these. For the purpose of this tutorial, I am just going to show you how to briefly create a quiz. So I selected the time limit, and then I'm putting at least 2 answer response, clicking on the right side of the correct answer, and then selecting next. Now I'm going to create a different question. So in this case, I changed my mind on creating a third question, so I am just going to select close on the top left corner and then select OK. I have 2 questions on my quiz. Now I'm going to select save, then play it. The right side of the screen is as if it was a student, so the students are going to search Kahoot.it. On the teacher side, you're going to select player versus player if each individual student has their own laptop or phone. So now, since you pushed one individual players, it's going to pop up a pin. The pin code would also pop up if you were doing groups. On this side, the student is going to type in the pin and then create their nickname. As soon as they create their nickname, it's going to pop up on the teacher screen, which is most likely going to be presented out on a projector where the students are able to see the questions. You are also able to exit out any names you want just by clicking over them, and then select start once you're ready. So the first question pops up. On top it says what question you're on. It tells you what the question is. Then it'll move on to a separate screen where it's going to show the question on the top, the time limit on the left, and then the answer options on the bottom. On the student screen, it's just going to show the symbols for each answer. In this case, one student got it incorrect and one got it correct. The correct answer will pop up on the bottom. And then on the student screen, it will show their score and if they got it correct or incorrect. So then I'm going to click next, and then it's going to go to question 2 of 2. The question pops up on the top, same format. As soon as the students select on the correct answer, it's going to change your screen. So in this case, both students got it correct. The correct answer was metaphor. I'm going to select next. The next one is going to show their scores. So in this case, Jeanette won. It also gives you a higher score depending on how fast you answered. You are also able to download it onto a spreadsheet. So just by clicking get results, direct download, and then it pops up. Well, that is my tutorial on how to use Kahoot. Thank you for watching.